Everyone, welcome back to a new video on how to fix. In today's video, we're gonna take a look at how to fix Hive something went wrong. Now, when you try to use Hive application, this is the error message that you receive. But however, there's nothing to worry about because this can easily be fixed. So the first thing that you can do is update your app of Hive. Head over to the Play Store of a device and search for Hive. If there are any new updates, you can just tap on update and update the app. Updating apps helps to clear out bugs which may be causing this issue. As you can see, it says right here, various bugs fixes and improvements. So updating your app of Hive should pretty much fix your issue. If it does not, the second thing that you can do is completely uninstall the app of Hive from your phone. And once the app has been uninstalled, you can again re-download and log into your account. Once you do these steps, your problem should be fixed and you should be able to use Hive without having any issues. If you still cannot use Hive even after you do these couple of steps, then I suggest you to wait out a couple of hours before you use your Hive app again, because sometimes these companies may be having an issue and these applications may be down right now. So you can just wait out a couple of hours and use the Hive app again. And by that time, you should be able to use it without any issues. So that was the video. I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today's video, and I'll be back with more.